It's really not surprising anymore that Kangna Ranaut's words often create controversy. But this time, things have gotten very serious. Kangna, who is not just a famous Bollywood actress but also a BJP member of parliament from Himachal Pradesh, is once again in the middle of a political storm. And this time, her comments are about none other than the US President Donald Trump. So, what happened exactly? In a tweet, Kangna reacted to a report that said President Trump has asked Apple CEO Tim Cook not to expand manufacturing in India. Kangna wrote a sarcastic post asking why the sudden love loss. Then she said something even more bold. She wrote that Trump might be an alpha male, but India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi is sub alpha male ka baap, which means the father of all alpha males. This tweet was mix of sarcasm, nationalism and ego clashes, and it caused a lot of anger, especially in her home state Himachal Pradesh. People from her own Lok Sabha area felt embarrassed and let down. They said they voted for her to make Himachal proud, not to make headlines for the wrong reasons. Even BJP's national president JP Nadda, who is also from Himachal, was put in a difficult spot. He had to personally call Kangna and ask her to delete the tweet. She did remove it and posted a message saying, "Respected National President Shri JP Nadda ji called and asked me to delete the tweet. I regret posting that very personal opinion of mine." So yes, she deleted the tweet, but the damage was already done. And while BJP leaders in Delhi and Shimla are clearly frustrated, they don't know what to do. Some have told reporters privately that Kangna refuses to listen to advice. They say they have tried talking to her in private, but she continues to make bold and sometimes offensive public statements. The party is stuck. If they try to punish her or keep her quiet, it might backfire. Why? Because she still has a strong fan base. Many people in Himachal and across India like her bold, no filter way of talking. If BJP takes action, they fear losing those supporters. Also, Kangna is not someone who listened easily. She doesn't follow normal party rules or hierarchies. Leaders are worried that if they push her too hard, she might even rebel or leave. That would be a bigger problem. Now let's talk about how her political rivals reacted. Himachal Pradesh Minister Vikramaditya Singh, who had actually contested and lost against Kangna in Mandi, saw this as a chance to take a jab at her. In a sarcastic tone, he called her his elder sister, who spoke the truth but was silenced. He even joked, "Hum unke param mitra hai na," which means, "Aren't I her great friend?" He also repeated what many people are now calling her, the queen of controversy. And to be honest, this isn't Kangna's first time in trouble. In 2024, during the farmers' protest, she said shocking things like bodies were hanging and rapes were happening. She also said India could have turned into another Bangladesh without strong leadership. These comments were strongly criticized, especially by the Congress party. BJP had to publicly say that these were her personal opinions and not the party's view. She also accused the Himachal government of corruption, saying that money was being sent to former Congress leader Sonia Gandhi. No proof, just big statements, and during a rally, she even made fun of the Dalai Lama in a meme. And in April 2025, she even compared the Himachal Congress government to wolves, saying they only focus on useless things like investigating samosas. She called their actions embarrassing. All this has created a big headache for the BJP on one side. She brings attentions and gets media headlines. On the other side, her comments on serious topics like foreign policy, national history, and farmers' protest make the party look bad. The BJP has to keep walking a tightrope. If they support her, they face backlash. If they silence her, they lose a big crowd of supporters. And don't forget, this is the same Kangna who once said India's real independence only came in 2014 when Modi became PM. She called the 1947 freedom struggle just bheek or arms that sparked outrage across the country. Even BJP MP Varun Gandhi slammed her for it, but Kangna didn't back down. She responded with more strong words. In fact, Kangna's Twitter account was permanently suspended in 2021 for spreading hate and misinformation. Her last tweet was about the West Bengal election and was seen as promoting violence. Before that, she called farmers terrorists and had a huge online fight with Punjabi singer Diljit Dosanjh. She even called Mumbai Pakistan occupied Kashmir and had a bitter fight with the Shiv Sena. The BMC demolished parts of her office and Kangana said it was political revenge. Through all of this, one thing is clear: Kangana Ranaut is bold, unfiltered, and fearless. But that comes with a cost. Her journey from films to politics has been full of fights, controversies, and even emotional outbursts. For the BJP, she is both a big attraction and a big problem. And the real question is, how much longer can the party manage this chaos? And what do you think on this? Do let us know in the comment section. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.